অন করছো? লাইট সামনে, পিছনে, ডাইনে, বামে। Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Mohammad Nazmul Sadiq. This is our project for the voice control wheelchair. In this project we have used 4 DC gear motors, which is these ones over here, and we also used the wheels for the DC gear motors. The gear motors are, these 2 gear motors are used in parallels, so they are connected to each other, and this connection is goes to the motor driver, which is L293. This is the motor A pin, and this is also connected with in parallel. This is the connection from the motor, and the motor connection goes to the motor driver, which is motor B. You can see over here. We also used a power supply for the project is the 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. These batteries are rechargeable, so we can charge it later if the charge goes off. So we also used a switch for it to turn on. So you can see the switch turns on and off the device. So the connection for the power supply is like this. The positive terminal of the power supply goes to the switch, and the switch terminal goes to the voltage input of the motor driver, and the negative terminal goes to the negative terminal, which is ground over here. And these connections are the motors and for the batteries. And in the other side you can see there are also 6 connections, which is enable 1 2 3 4 and ground and VCC. This ground and VCC in the motor driver, you can see this outputs 5 volt DC to the Arduino, and the ground is for Arduino. So it goes to the V voltage in for the Arduino and ground for the Arduino. And other enable 1 2 3 4 is for controlling the motor. So we have connected enable 1 2 3 4 to Arduino 7654. So this is our motor driver and Arduino connection. And the red thing over here, which we can see, is the voice recognition module. So this voice recognition module can store up to say 64 different voice inputs. It can memorize them all. And the voice control module have also 4 pins, which is ground, VCC, TX and RX. The TX pin is the transmission pin, and the RX pin is the receiving pin. The last pin is the RX. The RX is connected to pin number 2, and the TX is connected to pin number 3. So, and other VCCs and the ground connected to the VCC, it connected to the 5 volt Arduino output, and other ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino. So this is the connection for the voice recognition module. So the voice recognition module needs a microphone. It takes the input from the microphone. We can say anything, and we can train it in any language as we want. So this is the voice recognition module. But we also used a Bluetooth module, which I will show. Uh, this is a voice. This is Bluetooth module, which is HC05. I will connect it later on. So the in this connection we also can see there are some pins. We basically need 4 pins of this device, which are VCC, ground, TX and RX. So VCC and ground is connected to, will connected to the Arduino 5-volt VCC, and the ground will connect to the Arduino ground, and we will connect the TX pin, which is transmission pin, to the Arduino RX pin, which is a receiving pin for the Arduino. We will connect the RX for the Bluetooth module, will connect it to the TX pin of the Arduino, which is transmission pin. So this is all for the connections and the this is all of our project. We will demonstrate our project in short. You can see, if you turn on the device, the LED will turn on, and you will see a live demonstration now. সামনে, পিছনে, ডাইনে, বামে, light. We can see, we can control our voice control wheelchair by our voice. So we have inputted 5 voice commands, which are সামনে, পিছনে, left, right, and the lights on. So if we say সামনে, it will go forward. If we go পিছনে, it will go backward. If we tell it to go ডাইনে, it will go right. If we tell it to go বামে, it will go left. So there is also a LED, which is also connected to the Arduino pin number 12. So we can control the LED by commanding it by light. If we say light, the LED will turn on. So this is all of our project. We also will connect the Bluetooth module later on, and we can also control our this project by the smartphone app. We will see that later on. Thank you, sir.